guys, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng avocado chips. Ito guys, avocado. So ngayon guys, na-slice ko na siya. And mayroon tayong 1 egg na scrambled egg and also a breadcrumb. So ang gagawin natin ngayon guys, lagay natin ng breadcrumb dito. And then, after that guys, nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting chicken powder. Don't mind my hair guys, tarili ko lang kasi. And then guys, ilalagay natin ito sa egg. And then, lagay natin sa breadcrumbs. Tapos, lalagay natin dito sa ating paglalagyan guys. Yan. Pagkatapos nito guys, ilalagay natin sa oven. So, kayo na, makikita din ninyo yan kung luto na siya guys kasi maging crunchy na siya. 180 degrees at lagay natin sa 30 minutes na guys. That's it guys for today's video. Bye! Thank you for watching! Sarap na avocado chips. This is the result of my avocado chips. Yan, malutong yan guys. Malutong. So crunchy guys. Yan. Lapit na siya guys, oh. Luto. Luto na pala. And then, you just make it crunchy kasi meron yan siyang egg at saka breadcrumb. So, make it crunchy talaga yun siya guys. Yan guys, it's healthy food. Yan.